4 man-melting phrases that make a guy fall for you. It's true what they say, actions speak louder than words, but sometimes nothing can beat a kind word or two, especially when you're talking to your partner or to someone you have a crush on. So, if you're eager to find out how to make your guy fall in love with you even more, stay tuned in for the following 4 phrases. Before we begin, subscribe to Modern Love Potion because every video you watch will transform you into a woman high-value men can't resist. So click or tap the subscribe button now to not miss out. Number 1. Be open and honest with him. Admittedly, this isn't a phrase, but "I feel so good with you," or even "I love you," or "I respect you," are all man-melting phrases that will make your man fall for you. Sometimes we are so concerned with the details and the more complicated stuff that forget what it's like to be open and tell the truth in the simplest way. Love doesn't have to be overly complicated, which is why being open and honest with him will go a long way. Number 2. Make him feel masculine. It's in every man's nature to want to protect the women that they are in love with. So with the next phrase, you will give him exactly what he wants to hear. You will make him feel manly and strong. This is why saying something like, "I love how much you take care of me. I feel so safe when I'm with you. You make me feel so strong when I'm around you." These types of phrases will ignite his primal instincts, and he will try even harder when he is around you so that you feel good. Another way to melt him is to tell him directly that you want him bad. This will boost his ego because nothing melts a man better than knowing he is so good that his woman would drag him into the bed. Hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to Modern Love Potion because every video you watch will transform you into a woman high-value men can't resist. And you'll never miss our videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, if you have a story you want to share with me or other people watching this video in the Modern Love Potion community, write a comment below. Okay, so where were we? Number 3. Appreciate him. Show him a raw appreciation of everything that he does in the relationship. Simply express gratitude whenever you can by saying the following types of phrases. "I love you when you," and fill in the rest with a situation that applies in your relationship. "You are always there for me. Thank you for everything that you do for me." Men never get tired of hearing these types of compliments, and they are a primary driver for the relationship to improve even further. So, don't spare him these types of phrases. Number 4. Be open about the relationship. Most often than not, when women and men fight in a relationship, or they have some sort of misunderstanding, women tend to close themselves in while men try to figure out what they have done wrong. However, if you are open and you talk things through, he will love you even more. So, if you felt that the relationship isn't his priority, but you don't want to fight over it, a simple phrase like, "Look, it's okay if you want to hang out with your friends instead of going out with me. I'm okay with that. I understand that sports or a video game are sometimes more interesting, so I'm fine with it, as long as you make it up to me." Wink, wink. Men always fear for their freedom, and they think when they enter a relationship with you, they have to leave everything behind and just be with you until the end of time. Surely no one wants to feel trapped like that. So, by making him understand that of course he can take time for himself and his buddies, and that you aren't mad, you will make him the happiest, most content person in the world. This way, you are showing him that you aren't insecure and that you are fine with being yourself or with your friends while he is with his. These things will pull your man even closer to you and will make your relationship much better. However, they only scratch the surface of all the things you can do and say that will make your man fall for you even deeper. So, follow this video until the end if you want to make him really open up to you. One of my female friends just recently went through a breakup with her boyfriend. Her boyfriend stood up in front of her and said, "I'm breaking up with you." Her heart dropped. It was like a dagger stabbed her in the heart. She felt ugly, insecure, and sad all at the same time. She felt devastated. She had no idea the relationship was on the brink of breaking up. The next week she spent in bed crying over him. All she wanted was for everything to be back to normal again and his arms wrapped around her. She wanted him back, and she started becoming a little desperate. She tried being more sexual with him, tried making him jealous with other men, and even no contact without it working at all. It actually pushed him more away than getting him closer. Then she learned a couple of simple psychological triggers that work on all men. The way she would win back her ex was to use these psychological triggers in the right order at the exact right time over a couple of weeks. A couple of times per week, she would feed her ex these psychological triggers in person, through text, and on social media. All of a sudden, her ex got so much emotional obsession over her that he would do anything to win her back. His desire was so intense that he was filled with the purest form of guilt for ever letting her walk away. And his mind was filled with reasons why getting back together with her would be the best decision of his entire life. If you want to learn how she did this, you scroll down in the description and click the first link. You'll learn about the most scientifically validated technique for getting your ex-boyfriend back in your arms. Even though you think it's impossible, it will teach you how to use this technique to compel your ex to fall back in love with you again for good. If you're interested, click the first link in the description now. Also, did you like this video? Then I have good news. We release new videos every week, so remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel because you'll get notified of every new Modern Love Potion video. If you're having problems with love and men, you should watch our 3 best videos by tapping the screen now. They might solve your love problems instantly, kind of like drinking a Modern Love Potion that will make him fall at your feet. Click the link or tap the screen for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.